Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel T3G Facts. This is TV series. In this series, we are going to see unboxing and working of few branded TVs. Today is an exciting day because we are unboxing the Sony Bravia X77L 4K TV. This 50-inch large screen size direct lit LED Google TV boasts stunning 4K resolution, HDR support, has a voice control built in, are some of the smart features that promise to take your viewing experience to the next level. Okay, before we move on with this video, make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any updates. Now, let's begin unboxing the TV. The Sony Bravia X77L comes in a sturdy box with the Sony logo on top. I'm eager to see what's inside. First, we have some user manuals and documentation. It's always a good idea to read through these to maximize your TV's features. Next, we have the TV's remote control and batteries neatly packed. It also includes TV stands for table placement, which are neatly packed. And finally, there it is, the star of the show, the Sony Bravia X77L. Setting up the Sony Bravia X77L is usually straightforward. You can either mount it on the wall or use the included stands for table placement. Connect your devices via HDMI, power it up, and follow the on-screen instructions. We do have voice assistant for this Sony X77L, that is, it works with Alexa. Talking about the ports, it has two USB, one optical output, one AV input, three HDMI ports, an Ethernet port, and a ATSC TV tuner. You have to note that it doesn't come with the latest version of TV tuner. So, what are my initial thoughts on the Sony Bravia X77L? It's a beautifully designed TV with stunning picture quality and a user-friendly interface. I'm looking forward to spending more time with it and bringing you a full review soon. If you enjoyed this video or found it helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button below. It really helps us out and keeps you updated with the latest content. Have any questions about the Sony X77L or suggestions for future videos? Drop them in the comment section below. I love hearing from you guys. Thank you for joining me on this unboxing journey of the Sony Bravia X77L. Until next time, stay techy and happy watching.